Imagine a Brazilian wax that takes just 7 minutes, leaves zero redness, and keeps your skin perfectly smooth for a full 24 hours. It sounds unreal, but the future of waxing is already here. For years, waxing meant heat, irritation, and recovery time. You'd walk out smooth, but always a little sore. Now, that's changing, thanks to next-generation waxing technology. These new formulas use smart polymers that grip the hair, not your skin. That means less pain, no irritation, and instantly calm results. It's not magic, it's precision chemistry. When the wax cools, it stays flexible and lifts the hair gently from the root. No surface damage. No redness. No downtime. Professionals call it the 7-minute method, a smooth, science-backed transformation. Step 1. Cleanse the skin to remove oils and impurities. Step 2. Apply a thin, even layer of temperature-controlled wax. Step 3. Let it set for 60 seconds, then lift in one clean motion. And just like that, you're done. No redness, no residue, only flawless skin. After waxing, your skin barrier stays protected and calm. Hydration locks in, and the glow lasts all day. Top estheticians now use soothing post-wax serums with aloe and hyaluronic acid. They calm the skin instantly and enhance the 24-hour smooth finish. This is beauty when science takes the lead, precise, gentle, and fast. Would you try a 7-minute, zero redness wax? Comment below and tell us what you think. And don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed beauty insights from MTH Health. Because your skin deserves the future, today.